Hello everyone, very warm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Easy Biology. Today I will be giving you the reviews about this Pathfinder Life Sciences books of both the volumes 1 and 2. Plus I'm having this Life Sciences and Biotechnology MCQs books, and I'm having this Biophysics and Molecular Biology book too. As you can see, this life science book of both the volume are of 7th edition, which is an extensive revision of the previous editions. This MCQs book is of 6th edition, and this Biophysics and Molecular Biology book is of 3rd edition. Author of these books are Pranav Kumar and Usha Meena. I have ordered these books from Flipkart, and if you want to buy, you can get the link of these books in the description box. These books are very good and helpful if you are preparing for CSIR NET, JRF or IIT JAM or any other MSc entrance exam of life sciences and biotechnology. You should have a set if you are preparing for any MSc entrance exam, as they cover most of the topics, and it is written in clear and concise language, easy to understand. They have given equal importance to text and illustrations. So let's have a look. This is the front page. These books are by Pranav Kumar, and he is former faculty in the biotechnology department. And now you can see this figure is just an example. They provide artworks and figures to enhance understanding. These boxes are provided with extra information beyond basics. As you can see these boxes, and there are so many boxes in every chapter. These books have MCQs at the end of every chapter. Let me show you. Now contents. First chapter, biomolecules and catalysis, and it has many subtopics. I'll upload a picture of contents in my description box. Now we will have a look at the contents of the MCQs practice book. As you can see this book cover, this practice book is for many exams like CSIR UCG NET, DBT JRF, ICMR, GATE, JNU, IIT JAM, etc. This book has two sections. Both the section has 10 chapters. As you can see, this first section also has 10 chapters, and the second section also has 10 chapters. I will upload the pictures of contents in my description box. Now here you can see chapter first is biomolecules, metabolism and catalysis, which has many subtopics. Second chapter is cell biology. Third chapter is plant physiology. Fourth chapter is human physiology. Fifth is genetics. Sixth chapter is recombinant DNA technology. Seventh chapter is prokaryotes and viruses. Eighth chapter is immunology. Ninth one is diversity of life, and 10th one is ecology and evolution. And section B, so just have a look. Just wait. Here in section B, first chapter is molecules and their interactions relevant to biology. Second is cellular organization. Third is molecular genetics. Fourth is cell signaling and immunology. Fifth is developmental biology. Sixth is system physiology of plants. Seventh is system physiology of animals. Eighth, inheritance biology. Ninth, diversity, ecology and evolution. And 10th is biotechnology, biophysical techniques. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe my channel for more videos related to biotechnology and life